This man, I don't know, so you Kwesiato.
Ah.
The man marry Monday, yeah.
Tuesday, yeah. Wednesday, yeah.
And on the Saturday, joint service. So this man married 3 of his girlfriends on 3 different days.
Charlie.
And on Saturday, he decided to do
Climax,
a joint service.
Join.
So I a former Pentecost member. But PKB man, our friend, what be his name?
His name be Nicholas Mbir.
Nicholas
Mbir, Mbir.
Yes. Where this man, he be Borga.
Yeah,
he be Borga. He be Dubai Borga. Check.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it.
Ebusia for Aquaba had no me a Parko Rich Studios or from Parko to the rich. That ACBS in fact very boom. Something way happy for Winneba. But say of Central region, I think I'm one of the best people to share this news with you. Now I'm not here alone. I'm with my brother.
Of course, PKB original.
PKB.
Yeah, man.
I say, you know what it happened for Central region?
No. Oh, I know. Oh.
I know,
but
my bow hostel my beji details. So man be wo Winneba.
Yeah.
Why you be all your wonderful pa?
Wonderful?
Yes. This man I don't know, so you Kwesiato.
Ah.
The man marry Monday, yeah.
Tuesday, yeah. Wednesday, yeah.
And on the Saturday, joint service. So this man married 3 of his girlfriends on 3 different days.
Charlie.
And on Saturday, he decided to do
Climax,
a joint service.
Join.
So I a former Pentecost member. But PKB man, our friend, what be his name?
His name be Nicholas Mbir.
Nicholas
Mbir, Mbir.
Yes. Where this man, he be Borga.
Yeah,
he be Borga, he be Dubai Borga. Check the link, the description they give him.
Okay.
So this man or your Borga of free Dubai. Na our 3 solid girlfriends. Na girlfriends and also opia you beautiful. I don't know if director but to my more individual pictures, but girlfriends be you solid. Where choose say like or slim or heavy one or them all be medium size.
Yeah.
Where them all they be, them all to get us. You understand? And I prepare an adren there. You go marry them on different days. So you marry one on the first day, second day you marry another one, third day you marry another one, and at Saturday, you join all of them together.
Wait, day 5, you go do Thanksgiving.
Yeah, you do. That be the joint service. So I bet give read the order.
So the other we say, day 1.
Yeah.
They marry Grace Ejakun first.
So Grace, and it be very strategic.
Very, very strategic.
You start with Grace.
Yes, Grace.
Adom. You understand? And on the second day.
On the second day, we do Esther Abbas.
Esther, the queen.
Abbas Sariki relative.
I dey shock self. Abbas Sariki that was faster than Papa where the second wife you. And on the third day.
On the third day, we do Angelina Cometo.
You understand? You understand? It's a Papa the word taste. Papa. This man get taste. The way he making collections, but we're just streeting with a lot of conversation.
Charlie.
PKB, you go feed this.
Me? Charlie, if I check my background and where they come from, party.
No, I mean if the money day, like if the money day.
But so if the money day safe, it go hard, oh.
It go hard, eh?
Yeah, I like these things, but
But what be the benefits of having 3 wives?
Charlie,
3 girlfriends. We say you see, as I'm a power in there, he eats all of them. Where he confirm the taste.
Yes.
Say this be the ones I like. Where he say I go marry you.
Yeah.
Where marry all of them. Now, what be the benefits this man stands to get having all these 3 women?
I wonder. This one, the usher of Ghana. Yeah. You know, the usher get like 4
wives.
4 girlfriends. Either them they stay.
Where you know the trick? You know do white wedding.
You know do white wedding. Smart guy.
You know go court.
No, you know go court. You do traditional.
You be traditional wedding.
That one if you add 3 7.
You understand? So you catch sure that when our tradition be good, if you
the bar, they there.
The tradition they give you multiple
options.
Now this might get option 1, option 2,
option 3.
So if you get swing mood, they give
you don't care.
F, if you get menstrual
Oh,
cramps,
bosu.
the two options.
Them all
dey.
no go fit menstruate at the same time.
You understand? Where I hear say the man and can say he check all of them, my menstrual cycle. Say he go fit into in line.
Charlie.
So the man no they go a day without sex.
No.
They come every day.
They come every
They
day.
piano humba.
Yeah.
Inti Papa Nicholas in mirror.
Nicholas Mburu.
You force. Where
Your mommy dey inside o.
your mommy there. Behind every successful son, there is a good mother.
Yes.
Where they say Nicholas to Charlie.
Get
Great.
kwekus.
Great. They say Nicholas.
Get machine gun.
That be why they guess nobody will let tab make it good. This is the man, you know, be saying some Majid Michelle.
No.
But okra,
Very dark black man.
Very dark black man, but or a very huge
Very
man.
huge underneath.
Winneba.
Winneba.
Simpa. Hey, Chema, you do all.
Bumbo glad.
I think this man or that was studying with University of Education.
For real.
Yeah.
For real.
Where they for put in statue for the runabout.
Yes, the Winneba runabout.
Yeah, do one with the Nicholas
Mburu.
the only man where he married three women.
Three women.
When not be say 3 girlfriends.
Yeah, 3 girlfriends, and they've transitioned into marriage.
Hey.
How did he do that?
He eats all of them.
But so we one self, he go tell you say make you no marry hard.
You understand?
Also, men wale can home pesa you know.
Nicholas have paved the way for us to continue.
Hey, DJ, so you go video am.
Oh yeah, I mean,
I'll
if
tell
the
you.
cash there, why not? Why not?
You know sometimes it don't really be about cash too.
Yeah. You see, when there is competition, you have the best of quality service. You understand?
Yeah.
Nobody come give you like some bad doggy or some no. When you're the mad,
No. Competition.
Since you are train,
Everybody will like
the
bring
woman,
a game.
the woman go tell you say edumedo.
Yes.
You understand? Like the woman go tell you say it be my time where my husband for come my room.
Yeah.
So you know go feel cross. So the man will never lack sex.
Hey,
He will never lack coming.
No.
The piano home baba.
No, baba.
Brother,
So what if them 3 all day in the mood at a go?
No, the man he gets timetable.
So what if sometimes the timetable, you know, it'd be funny. Sometimes there could be a coincidence. Then them all day in the mood.
The other wives no go understand, but this is the man who can actually decide to do proper threesome.
Hey, Charlie.
You understand? Some they give up head, some they give up
Charlie.
You do all.
Applause for
Nicholas, I said we are happy for the brother.
Yeah, we are excited.
We are happy.
The
for
brother
each
is
other.
proud of you.
I say, oh papa, hey.
Charlie, he do some of the things where we go tired do.
And he has the energy to.
He has the energy and the
sleep
money,
with all
the
of
resources.
them.
Dubai
Yeah,
Borga.
Dubai
Dubai any
About
or
US,
US.
about
Bali
one
Bear
Ghana
10.
region. You go buy it from every
Every
region.
region, 16 regions, 16 wives.
Charlie, like for 2 cheba, we buy it to spare some.
You have to spend some out.
Blue one. So guys, may I know what you think in the comment section?
Yeah.
Ejembru is spoiled there.
It's spoiled there.
It's spoiled there 100%. Congrats. And then
All
like
the best
they
in
say,
your marriage.
yeah, enjoy your marriage, your new home. And you know normally Obiwara, you hear the ladies say I tap into your blessing.
I
Now,
tap
we don't
into your
see the
blessing.
ladies so.
No.
Why is it our comment
They be
section
the
was
boys.
say, I tap into
Yeah,
your
we
blessing.
tap into your blessings.
We tap into your blessing.
Charlie.
Ejembru. We are out of here.
Peace.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.